I'm sure my mother will not like it because this bird is sitting on my mother's bed and I'm sure she's not going to like it. But don't know won't hurt. And of course, I'll clean up the mess they make. So they're enjoying, they're walking, exploring. But this one is still inside. I'll clean up the mess they make, mummy, so don't worry. Oh no, what are they eating? That's not for you, buddy. So, Jack and Jill, Jack and Jill, Jack and Jill. Don't make a mess here, okay? Jack and Jill, Jack and Jill, Jack and Jill. Good boy, good girl, good boy, good girl. Come out, Johnny. Come out. Yes, he's also coming out. And that's a good news. So he's ready to come out. Come out. That's like a good bird. That's like a good bird. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. I just don't know how I am going to catch them. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but actually I'm enjoying this. And where is the green one? Where is the green one? Okay, so where is my green one? Oh ho. Johnny, where are you? I cannot see you. I cannot see you. Oh, you are here. Hey, birdie, you're here. Come on, fly. You can do that. Come on. Good boy. Don't hide here. Come on, you can fly. Enjoy your freedom. Explore. Get some exercise. Don't become lazy like your owner.